step into the Ram 2020 ProMaster City Cargo Van Tradesman. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include black cloth low back bucket seats, wheels, 16-inch x 6.5 inches silver steel, STD, daytime running headlamps, quick order package 24C Tradesman Cargo VAN included, engine 2.4 Li4 multi-air transmission, 9-speed 940 AT automatic supplemental side curtain front airbags, upfit interface connector, bright white, park sense rear park assist system, transmission, 9-speed 940 AT automatic, STD, and speed control. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.